Tired of looking at the same old boring bar charts? Let's spice things up and learn how to create group bar charts in Tableau, also known as clustered bar charts, to unlock a whole new level of data comparison. First, drag the dimension you want to categorize your data by onto the column shelf. This dimension will form the primary categories of your bar chart. In this example, we are using region. Next, drag the measure you want to visualize onto the rows shelf. This measure will determine the height of your bars. We will be using sales, so drag sales into the rows shelf. Now, for the magic, drag a second dimension onto the color mark in the marks card. This dimension will create the groups within each primary category. In this example, you're using subcategory. Notice how the bar chart is starting to look like group bars. Alternatively, you can drag the second dimension onto the size mark, although color is usually more effective for visual clarity. Finally, sort your chart for better readability, add labels if needed, and adjust the colors for a visually appealing and insightful group bar chart. And just like that, you have transformed your data into a dynamic, easy to understand visual. Be sure to subscribe for more Tableau tips and tricks.